struggling to unwind, stay balanced, or make everyday life feel easier? These life-improving Amazon gadgets are designed to help you sleep better, move more comfortably, and relax with less effort. From calming nighttime routines to simple comfort upgrades, each pick is all about making your day smoother. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Upgrade your brushing game in just 30 seconds. This Sonic Pro electric toothbrush uses a U-shaped brush to clean all teeth at once, giving a full-mouth 360 degrees clean that's clinically proven to remove up to 5.1 times more plaque. Gentle yet effective vibrations reach every corner of your mouth, while being waterproof and rechargeable makes it easy to use daily. Perfect for kids ages 9 to 12, it turns brushing into a quick, thorough, and fun routine. Meet your new favorite spot to relax. This modern Swivel Lounge chair spins 360 degrees and has a wide, comfy seat, perfect for lying back, watching TV, or napping. Plush, high-density foam cushions and soft fabric make every moment cozy, while the sturdy hardwood frame ensures lasting support. Lift the seat to reveal a hidden storage ottoman, keeping blankets, pillows, or essentials tucked neatly away. Stylish, practical, and ultra-comfortable, it's a living room game-changer. Give your pup a space that's safe, stylish, and super convenient. This collapsible dog crate sets up in seconds and folds just as easily for storage or travel. Built with premium materials and baby industry safety standards, it keeps even the most curious dogs secure. Multiple doors and a ceiling hatch make training, treats, and comforting your pet easy, while built-in wheels let you move it effortlessly around your home. Durable, functional, and sleek, it doubles as furniture you'll actually love. So if you want a comfy, safe spot for your pup, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Turn sore muscles into smooth relief. This 6-head massage gun targets legs, arms, back, waist, and buttocks with deep tissue precision. 9 intensity levels and 9 modes let you customize each session, from gentle relaxation to intense muscle recovery. It's perfect after workouts, long days, or just to unwind at home. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to use anywhere, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone who needs full body relief. Break free from boring office chairs. This Pro meditation chair lets you sit cross-legged, kneel, or recline, keeping your body active while you work or relax. The height-adjustable backrest and padded memory foam cushions provide perfect lumbar and hip support, while the swivel footrest gives you freedom to shift positions anytime. Durable casters and solid steel construction make it stable, and soft, easy-to-clean material keeps it comfortable for long sessions. Finally, a chair that moves with you, not against you. So if you want a chair that adapts to you, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Cool air, no blades, zero hassle. This bladeless tower fan uses air multiplier technology to amplify airflow, giving you a smooth, powerful breeze across the room. 10 precise settings let you dial in the perfect temperature, while 70 degrees oscillation spreads the air evenly. A magnetized remote stores neatly on the fan, and a programmable sleep timer lets you stay comfortable without worrying about turning it off. Quiet at just 35 decibels, it's ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. Glow up your skincare routine. This Aurora LED GuaSha device combines gentle heat and soothing vibrations to massage your face, reduce puffiness, and help smooth fine lines. The jade stone glides effortlessly across skin, stimulating circulation and promoting rejuvenation. Use it to tone, lift, and refresh tired skin in minutes. Compact and easy to hold, it's like a mini spa treatment at home anytime you want. Breathe easier and enjoy comfort all day. This smart humidifier fills large rooms with cool, ultra-fine mist that reaches every corner, keeping the air perfectly balanced. A 100-hour runtime and easy top-fill tank mean less refilling and more relaxation. Control it with your phone, remote, or even voice commands, while the quiet sleep mode keeps noise low and the customizable nightlight adds a soothing glow. Clean tank technology and an aroma tray make it perfect for babies, plants, or the whole family. So if you want fresh, comfy air anytime, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Ironing just got a tech upgrade. This smart ironing system uses motion sensors to release steam exactly when you need it, while one perfect temperature handles all fabrics safely. Pulsed steam smooths out creases effortlessly, and the active board with a fan keeps everything crisp. Dry microfine steam purifies fabrics, removing dust mites, bacteria, and fungi that regular washing can't touch. App alerts guide you through ironing and maintenance, making every session precise and easy. Turn your hair care into a mini spa session. This 3-in-1 electric scalp massage comb soothes your head, stimulates circulation, and helps prevent hair loss. 5 adjustable levels let you go from gentle relaxation to deep stimulation, while the built-in hair oil applicator nourishes your scalp as you massage. IPX7. Waterproofing means you can use it in the shower without worry. Compact and portable, it's perfect for at-home or on-the-go relaxation. So if you want a spa-like scalp massage anytime, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Clean ears, smarter and safer. This upgraded earwax remover combines clean and wastewater in one tank, so rinsing is easier and more efficient. 4 adjustable water pressure settings let you choose gentle or deep cleaning, while the temperature sensor ensures it's always safe to use. IPX7 waterproofing means you can even use it in the shower, and the USB-C charging keeps it ready whenever you need it. Simple, effective, and hassle-free ear care at home. Winter just got a lot cozier. These rechargeable hand warmers are shaped like cute avocados and fit perfectly in your hands or pockets. With 3 heat settings, they warm up in seconds to soothe cold fingers or relieve pain from arthritis or neuropathy. Each pack includes 2 warmers that can charge separately or together, giving you hours of continuous heat. Compact, safe, and rechargeable, they're perfect for outdoor adventures or just staying toasty on the go. Say goodbye to unevenly warmed bottles. This waterless baby bottle warmer uses hot air only, keeping bottles completely dry while protecting every nutrient in breast milk or formula. Its gentle rocking motion mixes and warms evenly, so no more shaking or wrist testing. Precise settings adjust for bottle size, starting temperature, and material, while the sleek display counts down and auto shuts off when ready. Compatible with almost all bottles, it's a safe, effortless way to feed your little one. Your clutter finally meets its match. This 40-inch storage Ottoman bench is more than just a seat. It's a footrest, coffee table, window seat, or end-of-bed storage solution. Lift the anti-slam top to tuck away blankets, shoes, or bags safely without any accidental slams. Plush chenille fabric and thick foam padding make it comfy for sitting or lounging. Reinforced wood framing keeps it stable, while arriving fully assembled means you can use it the moment it's out of the box. Meet the chair that finally lets you lounge your way. This extra-wide ergonomic chair flips down its armrests so you can sit cross-legged, stretch, or just sink in. Thick spring core cushions give long-lasting comfort and support for work, gaming, or meditation. Slide-out footrest and side pockets keep your legs up and essentials close at hand. A sturdy base with quiet rolling casters keeps it stable, smooth, and floor-friendly while you relax. So if you want ultimate comfort at home, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Give your baby comfort wherever you go with this versatile swing and rocker. It offers multiple soothing motions and adjustable swing speeds to match your little one's mood. The removable rocker lets you move them around the house easily, while the soft body support keeps them cozy and secure. Built-in melodies, nature sounds, and gentle vibrations create a calming environment. Plus, the adjustable toy bar with soft toys keeps your baby entertained while you get a moment to relax. Turn the back seat of your car into a comfy sleep space. This inflatable car bed fits most SUVs and sedans, giving kids, adults, or even pets a safe, soft place to rest on trips. Made from velvety, durable PVC, it feels cozy while staying strong and stable. 2 included pillows add extra comfort, and the lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store. Perfect for camping, long road trips, or any adventure where a quick, comfy bed is needed. So if you want comfort on the go, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Cool air, no blades, zero hassle. This bladeless tower fan uses air multiplier technology to amplify airflow, giving you a smooth, powerful breeze across the room. 10 precise settings let you dial in the perfect temperature, while 70-degree oscillation spreads the air evenly. A magnetized remote stores neatly on the fan, and a programmable sleep timer lets you stay comfortable without worrying about turning it off. Quiet at just 35 decibels, it's ideal for bedrooms, offices, or living spaces. Give your feet a mini spa wherever you go. This collapsible foot bath unfolds in seconds and holds water securely with its leak-proof design. The tall, fully wrapped body lets you soak up to your knees, while the zippered lid keeps heat in for a relaxing soak. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home, travel, camping, or even fishing trips. Just fill it, fold it back up, and you've got a soothing foot soak anytime you need. Your mornings just got a serious upgrade. This single-serve coffee maker works with both coffee grounds and pods, so you get ultimate flavor or total convenience, your choice. Brew small cups or large travel mugs, hot or over ice, all from one compact machine. The removable reservoir makes refilling easy, and the thermal system ensures each cup hits peak flavor. Perfect for countertops where space is tight, it gives you cafe-quality coffee without leaving home. So if you want your perfect cup every morning, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Turn any chair or couch into your personal massage zone. This full-body massage mat lays flat and uses multiple vibrating points to relax your back, thighs, and legs all at once. The detachable neck massager targets tight spots right where you feel them most, while gentle heat adds extra comfort. You can choose different speeds to match your mood, from light relaxation to deeper relief. Perfect for home or office, it helps you unwind without ever leaving your seat. Neck tension doesn't have to be part of your day anymore. This heated neck massager uses deep kneading motion to mimic real hands working into sore muscles. The built-in heat boosts circulation, helping tight areas loosen up faster and feel more relaxed. You simply drape it over your shoulders, press a button, and let it do the work for you. It's great for your neck, shoulders, and upper back whenever you need quick relief at home or after a long day. So if you want instant relaxation, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Relaxation hits different when your body feels completely supported. This zero-gravity chaise lounger cradles you into a natural reclined position that takes pressure off your spine and joints. The foam design is softer where your head and back rest, and firmer where your legs need support, so you feel balanced and comfortable. You don't assemble anything, just place it down and sink in. A matching pillow completes the setup, making it perfect for reading, napping, or unwinding after a long day. Cold floors don't stand a chance against this cozy foot warmer. It wraps your feet in soft plush fabric and delivers soothing heat from every angle, all the way up to your calves. You can choose the warmth level that feels just right and set a timer so it turns off automatically while you relax. The heat spreads evenly, helping improve circulation and melt away tension. And when it needs a refresh, the inner lining comes out and goes straight into the wash. So if you want to keep your feet toasty, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Sleeping on air doesn't have to feel temporary anymore. This inflatable air mattress comes with a real headboard, so you can sit up, relax, and sleep comfortably like you would on a regular bed. The soft flock top feels gentle on your skin, while the durable base keeps you stable through the night. You inflate it in minutes using the removable electric pump. No wall outlet needed. When you're done, it packs neatly into a carry bag, making it perfect for guests, camping, or quick setups at home. So if you want a comfy night anywhere, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.